Welcome to Bain Welker Equipment. I'm Marvin Olmert, Territory Application Specialist. Today we're going to talk about the Trident 5550 brought to you by Case IH and its many options and features. One of the neat things about this machine is you can see right now we have it set up for the dry application, and we can do that with a ProForce bed made by Underverth that is on there currently, or we can go to a new leader box as well. We give you the options here at Bain Welker Equipment to meet your needs. This machine can also be equipped with a liquid system. The boom sizes are 60-90, 60-100, 60-90-120, and then 70-foot and 132-foot booms. This machine can also be equipped with Aim Command Flex and Aim Command Flex Upgrade. So that way we can hit the right target with the right nozzle, VDM, and apply the products as needed and have individual nozzle control. One thing nice about this machine is that within 45 minutes, our technicians can have this machine switch from liquid to dry, dry to liquid, and have you back in the field. You can also do this yourself. The maximum of about 4 people can get this job done in that short amount of time. One of the great features of Case IH is the Maxim cab that we have on the Trident 5550 series. It's very comfortable for the consumer. It's very comfortable for anyone that's inside of this machine for hours upon hours every day. This machine, you can use 2 different types of controllers. You can use the Pro 700 or the Viper 4 made by Raven, which is a factory option with Case IH. This machine not only can get you in the field, keep you in the field, and do multiple products throughout the season. I would like to talk to you a little bit about the Trident 5550 on some service points and some things to look for while using your machine and what we look for with your annual inspection. We recommend an annual inspection every year on every piece of equipment because our eyes may see things that you don't see because you see that piece of equipment every day. And then we can give you a list of things that may need to be fixed, may be able to wait, but you know that is a wear item, and farther down the road, this item will probably need to be replaced. As much as we like to think that these machines will run forever without having to do any maintenance, we know the reality is sometimes we have to do some maintenance. One thing I look for on the back of these machines is the bolts that actually hold the box, whether it's a dry box or a liquid system on. We want to make sure those are tight throughout the year. Also on the suspension, this is an air suspension. It's a little bit different from all the other products that we carry through the Case IH line. And this suspension parts, they have air inside of it. So we need to make sure there's no leaks. We need to make sure there's nothing rubbing on the hoses. On the machine, Case IH does a really good job of tucking the hoses up and under the belly of the machine. Every once in a while you may go through some corn stalks or something or where they will jar loose. You can also have issues where the lines rub because once the machine gets some age on it and the lines start to wear, we may need to reposition those. So that's another area to look at. Another thing a lot of us don't really think about is our wheel lugs. We always need to make sure our wheel lugs are tight and right. So that way that whenever we're traveling down the road in the field, we do not have an incident. All wheels usually say check torque daily, although we may not do that, but there's a reason why we need to make sure that your wheels stay on your machine. Easy access and great design is what Case IH had in mind while entering their application equipment. No matter if it's a Trident or a Patriot, you will enter the ladder to the left of the cab every time. Now on a Patriot, you'll fill the diesel fuel and the DEF on the front nose, where on the Trident, you'll actually pass the cab and be able to access those filling points. Besides, whenever you have a liquid applicator on the Trident, be able to access that catwalk just like you do on a Patriot sprayer to make sure that everything is working properly on your machine. At Bain Welker Equipment, we have the parts to keep you running. So anything in application, whether it's your anhydrous applicator, your liquid applicator, your dry applicator, or your self-propelled sprayer, we have it at all 12 locations in Indiana and Ohio. As you may know, at Bain Welker Equipment, we originally started with just a spray center in Lebanon, Indiana. Since our business has grown over the last 10 years, we have decided that this needs to go out to all 12 stores. So not only can you get the same type of support, what you got from the Spray Center from the team, you can also get it now to all 12 locations at Indiana and Ohio. Myself, Marv Almut, and then also Brian Verhey are out in the field covering 6 stores apiece to make sure that we have what you need to cover you and your application needs, whether it be liquid or dry, 3-point, pull type, or self-propelled. Bain Welker is here to serve you.